Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we make shopping decisions easier than deciding what to binge watch on a Saturday night. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of steam mops. Yes, you heard that right. It's time to scrub away those mysterious stains while pretending to be a cleaning superhero. On my left, we have the Shark S7000AMZ, and on my right, the Newbealer steam mop and handheld cleaner. Let's see which one will mop the floor with the other. First up, let's talk about the price. The Shark S7000AMZ is going to set you back a cool $169, which some reviewers feel is worth it due to its effectiveness in cleaning tough stains, especially for pet owners. On the other hand, the Newbealer comes in at a more budget-friendly $104, making it a popular choice among those looking for an affordable yet efficient steam mop. Many users appreciate the savings, allowing them to spend on other necessities or even a nice dinner. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Shark S7000AMZ boasts an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute, which has earned rave reviews from users who find it effective for tough messes, particularly from pet drool. Meanwhile, the Newbealer heats up in just 20 seconds and reaches temperatures of up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Reviewers have noted its quick performance and powerful steam, making it suitable for various floor types, although some have expressed concerns about its effectiveness on tougher stains compared to the Shark. Next up, versatility. The Shark S7000AMZ is tough on stains and gentle on floors, perfect for those wanting to keep their floors looking brand new. Reviewers have praised its ability to clean hardwood and tile effectively. On the flip side, the Newbealer is an all-in-one wonder, with a detachable handheld cleaner and multiple attachments. Users love its versatility, allowing them to clean everything from windows to car interiors, making it a great multi-purpose tool for various cleaning tasks. Weight matters, folks. The Shark S7000AMZ is sleek and durable, but some users have found it to be a bit heavy for prolonged use. In contrast, the Newbealer weighs just 3.96 pounds, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver. Reviewers have noted that it's easy to handle and effective for reaching those hard-to-clean corners, which is a huge plus for many users. Finally, let's talk about those extra features. The Shark has 2 steam modes for personalized cleaning, which users appreciate for tackling different messes. However, some have mentioned it can leave a residue if not used correctly. The Newbealer, on the other hand, features a large water tank for up to 25 minutes of continuous cleaning, which many users find convenient. Some have noted that, while it may take longer to heat up, its efficiency in cleaning various surfaces is commendable. Overall, the Shark S7000AMZ receives high praise for its cleaning power and effectiveness, especially among pet owners, while the Newbealer is lauded for its affordability and versatility. However, some users have raised concerns about the Shark being heavy and the Newbealer's ability to tackle tougher stains. So which steam mop is the ultimate cleaning champion? If you're looking for a powerhouse that scrubs like a beast, the Shark S7000AMZ might be your pick. But if you want versatility and a lightweight option that can tackle pretty much everything, the Newbealer is calling your name. Ultimately, it's your call. Will you splurge on the Shark or save some cash with the Newbealer? Either way, you'll be cleaning like a boss. If you enjoyed this showdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more comparisons, and let us know in the comments which steam mop you'd choose. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.